The liver is one of the body's most vital organs, responsible for detoxification, metabolism, and overall well-being. However, poor diet, alcohol consumption, and exposure to toxins can burden the liver, making natural cleansing essential for long-term health. The power of lemon water. Lemon water is one of the simplest yet most effective drinks for liver detoxification. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons help neutralize harmful toxins while stimulating bile production, which aids digestion and the breakdown of fats. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach supports liver function by flushing out accumulated waste and reducing inflammation. How green tea supports liver detox. Green tea is another powerful drink that enhances liver health thanks to its high concentration of catechins, antioxidants that reduce liver fat and inflammation. Studies suggest that regular consumption of green tea helps prevent liver disease by improving enzyme levels and reducing oxidative stress. Opt for organic, unsweetened green tea to maximize benefits while avoiding artificial additives. Beets and their detoxifying power. Beet juice is an excellent liver cleanser due to its rich supply of betaine, a compound known to protect liver cells and promote detoxification. Beets also improve blood flow, helping the liver process and eliminate toxins more efficiently. Adding a small amount of fresh beet juice to your diet can enhance liver function while supporting overall cardiovascular health. The ultimate detox drink recipe. For a powerful liver cleansing drink, combine the benefits of multiple ingredients. Mix warm water with fresh lemon juice, a teaspoon of grated ginger, and a dash of turmeric for an anti-inflammatory boost. This combination supports liver enzyme production, improves bile flow, and enhances the body's ability to break down and eliminate toxins naturally. Maintaining a healthy liver requires consistent, natural detoxification through proper hydration and nutrient-rich foods. By incorporating liver-friendly drinks like lemon water, green tea, and beet juice into your routine, you can support your body's natural cleansing processes and improve overall well-being.